DSC 2020 question number 35. F is a twice differentiable function that solves the differential equation d2f minus df minus f minus 1 is equal to 0 over the set of all real numbers and satisfies the condition f0 is equal to 0 is equal to fk. So between 0 and k, f0 is 0, fk is also 0. So either the function can have a maxima, or the function can have a minima, or the function can be like this, minima and a maxima. Okay. Okay. Now, if the function has a maxima, what will happen at maxima? Please understand d2f is nothing but f double dash and df is f dash. Okay. That is what it means. तभी तो differential equation लिखा हुआ है. If it is max, f double dash is negative and f dash is equal to 0. And in the case of maxima, please note f is positive. ठीक है, नहीं तो maxima नहीं होगा ना. Negative side में खाली minima हो सकता है. The positive side, it has to be maxima. So in maxima, this is what we have. So f double dash minus f dash is 0, minus f minus 1. This entire expression has to be negative because f double dash is negative, f is positive, so minus f is negative. So this entire expression has to be negative. Please follow this. Try to concentrate and understand. f0 is equal to 0 is equal to fk. So either it is going to have a maxima or a minima, because 0 से start हो रहा है, 0 पे end होगा. So या तो maxima होगा या तो minima होगा. Okay. Now, please note that if it is a maxima, f double dash negative, f dash 0, f positive, therefore f double dash minus f minus 1 will be negative. It cannot ever be equal to 0. Therefore, I cannot have a maxima if this equation is holding over all the values of x. Okay? I cannot have this equation holding over all values of x. Correct? Okay. So between 0 and k, I can't have a maxima. Cannot have a maxima. Cannot have a maxima. Okay. Now, what about minima? Minima, f double dash positive, f dash 0, and this is negative in the minima aspect. So f double dash minus f minus 1, f double dash minus f, this part will be positive, and minus 1, this is possible. If this part f double dash minus f is exactly equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Correct? So minima possible, maxima impossible. And if minima is possible, that means f can take only negative values over 0 to k. Positive values ले नहीं सकता. Positive value लेते ही I will have a maxima, and at the point of maxima, this equation is not holding. Therefore, maxima not possible. Therefore, only possibility minima. Minima, this is what we have. Okay. You'll notice that a very similar question to this is there. Let me tell you the question also. It is DSC 2010. Question number 53, I think. Let me open it. DSC 2010. Question number 53. 51. Yes. 58. Just take a look at this. Such a similar question. DSC 2020 question number 35, very similar to DSC 2010 question number 58. Just take a look at this. Little changes here, very, very small change. Extremely small change. So what is the change in this question? The change in this question is basically there is no f. So this is f double dash plus f minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is more easier because fa is equal to 0 is equal to fb. Now, same thing I'll do a, b, either it is a maxima or it is a minima. Now, either for a maxima or a minima, f dash is equal to 0. If f dash is equal to 0, I'll get this equation as f double dash minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, f double dash has to be 1. Now, whenever first order derivative equal to 0, second order derivative has to be equal to 1 for equation to hold. So for the equation to hold, first order derivative is equal to 0, second order derivative has to be equal to 1. This will always mean that I will only have a minima. This will mean that I can only have a minima. And if I can only have a minima, therefore the maxima graph is not possible, only minima graph possible. Therefore, f has a minima but no maxima. Okay. So this is what it is. Tushar, fa is equal to 0 is equal to fb. So I draw the graph. Between a and b, it is either U-shaped or inverted U-shaped. Inverted U-shaped will mean that I will have a point of maxima. Whenever I have a point of maxima, f dash is equal to 0. Whenever I have a point of minima, also f dash is equal to 0. But if f dash is equal to 0, f double dash has to be equal to 1. So f dash 0 for a maxima, f double dash has to be negative. Negative impossible, because if f double dash is negative, then this equation does not hold. So for a maxima, this equation does not hold. For a minima, this equation holds. Okay? That's why f has a minima but no maxima. And a follow-up question is 59. 59 will be basically fx less than equal to 0 for all x belonging to a to b. Between a to b, f has to be negative. It can never be positive. So 58 and 59 combined is basically DSC 2020 question number 35. This is exactly why I share that past paper में 15 साल definitely करिए. The question is not exactly the same, but the concept, if you have understood for this question, you should be able to do it for DSC 2020 as well. Okay.